Number second, SD card. So just you have to click on this SD card to save in your memory card, and then you can see here export snapseed to your memory card. So hey guys, how are you all? So if you have storage problem in a mobile phone, then you can't download or play any high GB apps in your smartphone. But if you have a SD card in a mobile phone, then you can easily move that high GB games or apps in your memory card, and then you can get free enough storage to run that app very smoothly and without any lag. So how can you install your any app in your memory card from your mobile phone? I'm gonna show in this video 2022. So please keep watching this video till end, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. Okay guys, so if you want to install any games or apps in a memory card, first you have to go to your web browser. Any web browser you can go in a mobile phone, and here you have to search your application or game. So suppose I want to install Carom Pool game in my SD card, so I search here Carom Pool, and then after you type your game or app name, then you have to type APK. Okay, in the side you have to type APK, and then you can see here are so many websites. You can go any website and you can download. So suppose I go to this website, number 1, and you can see here guys, here is one option, latest version. So just click on this. Any web browser you can go guys, any website, and you can see here download option. So just click on this download, and then you can see here download anyway. Now this app is downloading in my mobile phone right now. You can see here guys, Carom Pool. Okay, so this app has been installed, Carom Pool. You can see here guys, I can install to my device. Just you have to click on this install if you want to install this. So just now you have to go to your file manager. Okay, go to file manager in a mobile phone. You can search my files also, and you can see here is one option guys, apps option. You can see here are so many options, but you have to click on this apps. Okay, just have to click on this apps, and you can see here guys, here are so many apps which I have installed from my web browser. So just have to click on this Carom Pool, and then you can see here guys, move button, MOV move. So click on this move, and you can see here SD card option. So just have to click on this SD card, and now you can see here paste option. So just click on this paste in the bottom guys, in the downside this paste option is here. So just have to click on this paste, and you can see here this is moving in my SD card, and you can see here guys, Carom Pool. Okay, you can see here clearly Carom Pool. That means this Carom Pool app has been downloaded to my SD card. Okay, this is the method guys, I hope you understand. You can see here Carom Pool, and I have downloaded hill climb racing game also. I have already installed to my SD card from this method. This is the first method guys. From your web browser you have to download the application, and then you have to go to file manager, then you have to paste here. Okay, this is the first method guys. You can see here clearly this app has been moved to my SD card or memory card. Now I can move one place to another with this SD card. So let's move to the another method guys. Okay guys, so second method is you have to go to the application which you want to send in your memory card. So suppose I want to send this Snapseed application to my SD card. So just you have to long press on this, and you can see here guys, here is one small I button. So just you have to click on this I button guys. Okay, and then you will go to app info. You can see here Snapseed, and after you scroll down, here is one option storage. So just click on this storage, and you can see here storage used, internal shared storage. So I want to save this application, I want to install this in my SD card. So just you have to click on this change button, and you can see here are two options, internal shared storage and number second SD card. So just you have to click on this SD card to save in your memory card, and then you can see here export Snapseed to your memory card, and you can see here is one move button, MOV move. So after you click on this move button, this Snapseed application will be saved in your memory card or SD card. Okay, this is the very simple method guys. Just you have to click on this move button and your Snapchat app or any other app will be saved directly in your SD card or memory card. This is the second method guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So bye bye guys.